We're just going to look at the starting sequence for creating a sales page in an HTML editor. I use Composer, and most of them are pretty similar once you get inside. So open your HTML editor and you will be presented with a page very similar to this. I have already had my mini graphics designed by Planet Divinity, and I will now open the mini graphics site in my HTML editor. So I'm going to go to Open, and I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to find the file. There it is there. So if I double click on it, I've got an opt-in box on my graphics which I had done separately, and there are some separate images, but the one that you want is usually called sales page. If I double click that, it will give me the images for the sales page and an index tab. So double click your index tab and your sales page will open. So this is my sales page here, and I have a number of different graphics on it. A little calendar there. I've got some ticks that I can use for illustrating and highlighting items. That's my opt-in box, and I've got a pay button. I've actually specified these particular graphics. You can buy a set graphics package which will include various things which will be illustrated on the Planet Divinity site, or you can actually specify what you would like. So once you're inside, you can delete any of these graphics that you want. You can either pop them back in later from the images file, or you can just leave them there for now. But if you click on them and then right click, you can select delete. So I'm not going to delete that. I want it. I'm not going to delete that. I'm not going to delete the buttons or the calendar, because actually I want to use all of the graphics. So what I am going to do is I'm going to move the graphics around a bit, make them a bit bigger, a bit smaller, and just put in some text. So if I move that down a bit, I can put my text in above it. So once you have your graphics where you want them, and again you can move them around once you're actually working in the page, all you need to do is type your text in, and you have a variety of buttons up here that you can change your text with. I'm sure you know how to use these already. There's colour, there's the font sizes, bold, italic, underline. You can right align, centre, left align, or have the justified. And you can change the fonts in here. So go ahead and play around with your sales page. Thanks for watching.